What is up, tech dudes? So today we are going to learn how to repair an LED bulb. Yeah, I know that we have already covered this topic, but that was not a permanent solution as mentioned in that video, as I got many requests to make video on permanent solution. Okay, one. So here we are with a permanent solution. At first we have to take DOB circuit, which comes with inbuilt ICs and SMD LED. You can easily get it under 10 rupees. Here I am taking 9-watt circuit. You can take other circuit according to your requirement. Then we have to take an MOV. You can easily get it under 5 rupees and its number is KVR 07511. After that we have to take fuse resistance, whose color code is gold, black, grey and blue. So at first we have to hit this screwdriver and make a hole between the diffuser and the body. After doing that, here you can see we can easily remove the diffuser. So after removing the diffuser, now we have to remove the holder also. By using an plier, we can easily open it by this method. If it is not opening easily, then hit that area. If then also it is not opening, then try this alternative method. So in its alternative method, take a sharp screwdriver and press it between holder and the body. Then gently rotate it. After that, take a plier and now you can easily pull it. After that, with the help of a screwdriver, we have to remove the heat shrink. Here you can see I have tried the same method with another bulb, but it is not working. Therefore I am going to say its alternative method. With the help of a plier, you can easily remove it by the following method. In the next step, we have to unscrew these screws. Then we have to desolder these wires which is attached to the holder. Then we have to remove the soldering lead until a hole is visible as shown in the video. Then we have to align the DOB circuit with the heat shrink. Remember, it should be tight enough to transfer its heat to the heat shrink, or else it will decrease its durability. After then, we have to put two wires in the holder. Then we have to solder these two wires by using soldering iron. We don't need any special technique, it will automatically mold it into its original shape. Then we have to solder the MOV with any two terminals of the circuit mentioned as L and N. Then I am soldering the red wire with the L terminal of the circuit. You can solder any one of the wire. Then I have soldered another wire with fuse resistance. Then I have soldered the fuse resistance with another terminal. So now the circuit is completed. So now let's recall the circuit. At first we have to solder the MOV with any two terminal of the DOP circuit and connect any one of the wire with L terminal of the circuit. Then solder another wire with fuse resistance. Then at last connect the fuse resistance with the circuit. There was a problem that the holder was not tight enough. So to fix it, you can use any super gum. Here I am using Febiquick. So now let's test the bulb. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked our video, then please hit the subscribe button and drop a like. It will be appreciated. And again I will say, if anyone of your friend or family member want to repair LED bulb, then please share this video to them. That will help them a lot. Till then, stay tuned for the cool new video. Again, thanks for watching. Signing out.